If you've been feeling stuck trying to get into cybersecurity, I can probably tell you why. In this video, I want to break down what's causing that I'm stuck feeling because it's not what most people think. My name is Kimberly Simon, and I help non technical professionals find and start cybersecurity careers without needing to code. Over the past decade, I've worked with organizations across North America, Europe, the Middle East, and Africa. And here's something I can tell you. The problem is not the lack of opportunity in cybersecurity. Globally, there are millions of unfilled cybersecurity roles right now. Companies are actively trying to hire for this field to protect themselves. So, if that's true, why do so many people feel stuck trying to get into this field? Let's look at what's usually happening. You've probably started researching, you've started watching a lot of videos, and maybe even taken a course or a certification or two or three. I've seen it. You're putting in effort, but something still feels unclear. You're not sure, you're not confident. What role should I go for? Am I learning the right thing? Am I going to be able to do this? Am I going to be successful in this? This is actually leading you nowhere. That's not a motivation problem. It's a direction problem. Let me explain this in another way. Think about being in an airport. You've checked in, you've gone through security, you're ready to go. You're ready to get on your flight. You're ready to go. But you don't know which gate you need to get to. So you walk around, you're moving, but you're not getting anywhere. That's what being stuck in cybersecurity feels like. You're doing things, but you're not connecting dots. You're not connected. Now, here's where it gets more real. What I see over and over and over again is people staying in what I call the preparation mode. That happens in a lot of industry. A lot of people stay in the preparation mode. They keep researching, they keep learning, they keep comparing, they keep trying to feel ready before they move. But cybersecurity doesn't work like that. It doesn't reward endless preparation. It rewards clarity, it rewards focus, it rewards positioning. Here's the thing I want you to get from all of this. You don't get unstuck by doing more. You get unstuck by actually narrowing down your focus. Because once you know the role that you're targeting, everything changes. If you filter what you learn, everything changes. You stop guessing, you stop second guessing yourself. You start moving with purpose. And this is especially important right now because globally, AI is changing job structures. Companies are becoming more and more digital. So cyber risks are increasing because of that. Every year, demand is rising within the cybersecurity industry, but the expectations are also changing too, and they're changing fast. Companies don't just want people who know things, people who have certifications. They want people who can step into a role and contribute and actually do the work. They want people who can help reduce their risk. And if you're unclear on your direction, that's the problem. If you feel stuck right now, let me give you a couple of things that you can do. The first thing is stop expanding your options. This sounds counterintuitive, but the more paths you consider, the harder it becomes to choose one. So choose one. The second thing is actually choose a good enough direction. It's not perfect, it's not forever, but it's good enough. Just something that fits your current strengths and helps you get your foot in the door. The third thing is shift from learning to positioning. Ask yourself, how does what I already know connect to this role? That's what moves you forward. Clarity comes from momentum. Clarity creates momentum, actually. So if you've been feeling stuck, don't assume that you're behind. You're not. Don't assume that you cannot do this because you can do this. You can get into cybersecurity and you can grow in this field. You're likely just missing a clear path. If you're still trying to figure out which direction makes sense for you, I'm going to share the Cybersecurity Role Finder link. You can use that. And if you are not already following me, please follow me for more real world insights on how to break into cybersecurity without needing to be technical. I'll see you in the next video.